Hey guys, welcome back to PyTubes. In this video, we are going to discuss about list slicing in Python. So let's get started. Slicing is a very powerful tool in Python. We can slice through list. Let's say if we want a particular part of the list, we can get the particular part of the list out of the list. We want to get the particular value of the list, we can get the particular value of the list out of the list. It is very important and it comes in handy most of the time. Let's say we have a list, lst is equals to let's say pygroups list pygroups. I'm using the string. Okay, if I type lst, I'll get the list. Now if I want to get p out of the list, I can simply write lst is equals to 0, hit enter, I'll get p. If I want to get s out of the list, I can simply write lst is equals to lst open close square bracket -1 and enter, and I'll get s. Python allows us to use negative indexes as well. If we use negative index, let's say -1, -2, we'll get the values from the opposite side of the list, from the end of the list actually. If I type -1, I'll get s. If I type -2, I'll get p. Let's try it. lst -2. See, we got p. Now let's talk about slicing. Slicing is a very powerful tool. We can use it to add values to the list, delete values from the list, replace values from the list, get particular values from the list, reverse the list, copy the list, and everything else. Let's try adding a value 1 to the first index of the list here between p and y using slicing. Let's say lst. We want to add the value at the first index. We need to make sure that we type 1 over here and type colon and then type 1 more time. And now type is equal to and create an empty list, and in the list type the value that you want to add. Let's say I want to add f over here. I'll press enter, type lst and press enter. See, we have f at the first index of the list. It is not important that you type only one character or only one value over here. You can type a list over here as well, containing multiple values. Let's say lst 1 is equals to f g h press enter, type lst again. See, we have fgh over here. Since we inserted fgh at the first index of the list, it is started from the first index of the list, fgh, and we have f over here from the previous insertion. Similarly, we can delete values from the list as well. Like let's say I want to delete fgh from the list. Fgh starts from the index 1 and end to 1, 2, 3. End to 3. We can simply do that by typing lst is equal lst open close square bracket 1 till 4, because 4 will not be counted. It is till 3. Then we'll write is equal to, then we'll write empty list and press enter. If I type lst again, see, we do not have fgh anymore. Let's say I want to remove this f as well. I can simply type lst 1, 2 is equals to empty list and press enter. Type lst again. See, we do not have f anymore. We can even replace values, multiple values at the same time. Let's say I want to replace these values ytr with fgh again. I can simply write lst 1 till 4, because it starts from the index 1 and to the index 3. We'll write 4 over here because it will go till 3. So lst 1 till 4 is equals to empty list, press enter. It will actually delete the elements. Type lst again. Yes, it deleted. Let's just get back the values. lst 1 is equals to what do we have over here? Y, t and r. Press enter, type lst. See, yeah, we have pygroups again. We wanted to remove ytr. We wanted to replace ytr with some values, fgh in particular. We can simply do that by typing lst 1 till 4 is equals to fgh f g and h. Press enter, type lst. See, we have replaced ytr with fgh. Let's say if I want to reverse the list now, I can simply do that. Let's first change the list back to PyTroops. LST is equals to LST 1 till 4 is equals to YTR. Yes, we want to YTR, Control C, Control V. Okay, what just happened? Okay, syntax error. Yes, we have PyTroops again. Let's try to reverse this list. We know we have a method in Python.reverse which will reverse the list, but it reverses the actual list. We do not want that to happen. We want to get a new list that is the reverse of the list. We can simply do that by typing LST open close square bracket colon -1, press enter, and see we have a reverse list, and it does not affect our original list. If I type LST, I'll still get my normal list. Similarly, if I want to copy the list to another variable or to another list, I can simply do that by typing, let's say LSTB is equals to LST colon. We do not need to use .copy method. We can simply type colon and it will be fine. If I type LSTB and press enter, see we have a list. We have our list in the LSTB. Now if I reverse this list LST_B by using .reverse method, and print that list again, see we have reversed our list, which actually we have actually reversed our original list, which is LSTB. Now if we check our original list, which was LST, and see this list is in its original shape, even though we did not use .copy method over here. These colon means get the values from start till end of the list. This colon -1 means get all the values from start till end in reverse orientation. We can even get particular values out of the list. Let's say if I want to get PyTroops out of the list, I can simply type let's say LST 1 till 4. I want to get YTR out of the list. I can simply type LST 1 till 4 and type enter. I'll get to YTR. If I want to get let's say I want to get all the elements from the list, but I don't want the second element from the list. Let's say I want P, T, O, P. I don't want SR or anything. I can simply do that by typing LST 1 till end, and I want the difference of 2. Sorry, I want to start from the beginning as well. If I type enter, see we got Pi, T, O, P, Pi, T, O and P. We did not get Y, R, O and S. Similarly, we can do that in reverse orientation as well. Let's say LST colon -2, press enter. See now we got in reverse orientation. We got a Y. Where do we have? Okay, PyTroops. We got S. Okay, we got O. Okay, we got R, and we got Y. That's all about this slicing in Python. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and make sure to follow us on social media. Thanks.